My cousin Jay blindfolded me to taste test my palate. Let's see how good I am.
Can you hear me? Isa kutta, let's go. Alright, we're gonna start with something really simple. This is jalebi, kaput.
Easy, come on, man.
What is it?
Jalebi.
Jalebi's correct, you win 5,000 points.
Give me some water so I can rinse my mouth.
This is not sushi, you can't clean your palate.
What the hell is this?
Water!
Oh.
Okay, round 2. This is a cucumber, but most people don't get it the first time. Let's see. Kaput.
Easy. Cucumber.
No. No, it was a cucumber, you're right.
Yeah.
Okay, shit. I forgot what his mom said this. Don't get your fucking... I forgot what his mom told me this was. I think it's a jar, but it could...
I need water. Give me some water.
I think it's in a jar, but I forgot what his mom told me what it was, so we're gonna... Let's let him guess anyway.
Oh!
Dude, what is that shit?
Did you just feed me ginger turmeric garlic paste?
Yo, I don't know what it was. It was in the top shelf of your fridge. I just took it.
Yeah, it is.
It said, do not feed to anybody in the house. Alright, so what you have here is, can you focus? How does Blau focus his videos? How do you do it like from here? This, I don't know if you guys can see it, is brown sugar rolled up into a little ball. Hopefully he gets confused. What is that?
Concentrated cane sugar.
Yeah, fuck.
Yeah. Man, that was a hard one. I almost didn't get it.
Eggplant peel. What is it?
Hold on. Let me guess.
My friend, time running out. 60-second TikTok, my friend. What is it? 3,
I don't
2,
know what that is.
1. Eggplant.
Oh, that's raw eggplant, yeah?
Yep.
Oh, I would have never guessed that.
Alright, this is the last one. It's like the skin of a tomato. What is it?
Hold on.
3.
No, hold on. I gotta process this. Some sort of veggie or fruit. It feels like there's a skin on it.
Why is he so loud?
Can I have more?
No.
Crap. Can I get a hint?
It grows.
It is a veggie or a fruit.
It comes from a tree.
I'm gonna guess an apple?
Tomato.
Oh, tomato.
It doesn't grow on a tree. Tomatoes don't grow on trees, idiot. Done.
Cholo.